Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another super exciting episode of GB's Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's gonna come out of a box. But before we get to the unboxing, let's start with an uncorking. There you go, bitches. Nice! Cheers, big ears. Today's box is cardboard. It's blue, white, red, black, and that's about it. It's 13 inches by 8 inches by 10 inches and weighs about 26 pounds. Makes a sound like this. And it looks like that. Woo! 30 times 355 milliliter canettes. So that's the French side. But how come Great Value isn't in French? Great Value, my ass. $46.95, $47 for 30 cans of fucking beer. Great Value. Yeah, fucking blow me. That's not a great value at all. So it looks like this. Ah, English side. Cans, not canettes. But still great value. The great value should be a French on the other side. So, do you think there's beer in here? Or what kind of beer? I don't know. Let's open this fucker up. Hey, I'm glad Molson just started coming out with these 30 packs, actually. Look. Oh, there it is. Do I want to open it like that? I would rather open it from the end. Decisions. Let's open it like this. Come here, bitch! Well, there you have it. Cans of Carling. 4.9%, 355 milliliters. Carling Lager. Woo! Alright, bitches. Let's get these into a fridge and cool them down. Until the next super duper exciting episode of GB's Unboxing Adventures, go get yourself a fucking box and open it. Cheers, big ears. Woo! RTFO. Nice box.